According to the latest on MTN's Montana Wildfire Relief Fund, the next phase of distributing the money generously given to Montana's communities will begin on October 9th. That's when grant applications will be available for organizations all across Montana to apply for the funds. Fire departments across the state in need of equipment and resources are encouraged to apply. The Montana Community Foundation is also working with dozens of smaller communities to identify organizations that need help. The foundation has been fundraising for 30 years and distributed $41 million across Montana during that time. 100% of the donations for the Wildfire Relief Fund will go to communities in Montana.